Hello, I hope you're all doing okay. So today I want to make a mesh top using this yarn, and this is the only amount of yarn that I have, but I think it will be enough. So I was like trying out different kinds of stitches that I'll use for the mesh, and I have like 3 different types of stitches that I wanted to use. So like there's this and this, and I just wanted to try them so that I can know the ones that I would love. But right now I'm really liking all of them together, so I think I'll just do the same thing I just did here. Same stitches. I'll use all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So to me, same 11. I just finished the first set of rows, and this is what it looks like. I love it so much, so I'm just gonna do repeats of this. I think it's like 8 rows, so I'm gonna do this. So I'll get back to show you when I have the first rectangle, but this is what I have so far after like 2 hours. So it's the next day, and I completed one of the pieces yesterday. Earlier today I began on the next one, and it's done. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like. This is one of the pieces, and this is the other one. It's just basically the same. I did the repeat 3 times, so this is the length that we have. Don't know how I can show you so that I can be able to see the stitches, but I love this so much. I have 2 pieces, and this is the yarn that I have left. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just want to join the pieces together, and then I'll see what I can do with this in terms of the sleeve. I really wanted a long sleeve, but obviously it's not gonna be possible. There's no any other yarn that I think I can use. I don't really know. We'll see about that, but for now this is what I have left, and I want to join the pieces together. So let me do that, then you'll see what it looks like. I've just finished joining the pieces together, and this is what it looks like. I think it looks amazing, by the way, but I just want to do a few adjustments here and there. So this is the only ball of yarn that I have left. I know it's not much, but I want to use this. First, I feel like this is a little bit tight, so I'll just undo a couple of stitches to create more room here for the armhole, and then I'll do 1 row of single crochet here on the sleeves so that I can smoothen the edges, because I'm not going to add any length here. It will just be like a vest top. So yeah, I will smoothen that, and the remaining I will just add the length of the top. I know it's not gonna add any more than 3 rows, maybe just 2, but yeah, that's what I want to do. I'll just add that, smoothen here, open up here a little bit because it's kind of tight. Yeah, and then after that I think it will be amazing. So yeah, let me just correct those few things, and then I'll get back to show you what it looks like. But so far, everything is just gorgeous. The stitches, I'm so in love. I love it so much. It looks amazing. Okay, so I already showed you what the top looked like after joining, but when I was editing it, I wasn't really happy with the way it looked on my body, so I decided to redo it again, and this is what it looks like now. And I think this is much better. It fits so well, the edges are smooth, the length is just perfect, the fit is okay. So this is what I was trying to achieve, and I'm happy with this. I love it so much. The stitches look amazing, everything is on point. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.